Okay, guys, so I've joined the TLC program and I finally got my box. So I got starting the 30-day challenge. So it's 30 days, 30 minutes of exercise with these three products in the box. And I'm going to show you guys what came in my box, what you get in this package. Okay, so I got the NRG. This product is awesome. It gives you energy, lots of energy. And I got the Join Me in my 30 days, 3 products challenge bracelet. This is NutriBurst. NutriBurst is a liquid vitamin. So I have the teas, which is in here. I already have the teas. Out of focus. Okay. Okay, now we're back. I finally got it open. So you got the teas here, and this is the ISO tea. This is the detox tea, and this pouch makes 1 gallon, and you drink this for 5 days. I've done it before. I started out on this product, and it says that it will help you lose 5 pounds in 5 days. It does work, and that's why I got all of this, because a chick needs to lose more than 5 pounds. So I'm trying. So with the detox, you're detoxing, all the bad stuff, and with all the bad stuff, you're losing some good stuff. So the NutriBurst is a liquid vitamin, and that will help you replace back some of the stuff that you are losing when you're detoxing. As you can see here, it's, a multi-blend formula, 72 minerals, 10 vitamins, 22 phytonutrients, 19 amino acids, and so this is why I got the NutriBurst. So this is gonna be my liquid vitamin. Like all the other stuff that I have tried, all these products are all natural. The ISO tea, see, it's all natural ingredients here. Here it goes. See, that's the ingredients. No scientific words here. They are all things you find in nature. All of this. And you see, they said on the package of the ISOT, they recommend that you take this with the NRG and the NutriBurst as a supplement, right? So I got the NutriBurst and I got the NRG. Ooh, can't wait. What else did I get? So I am going to fill this out. And by the way, they have a challenge going on right now for the person who has, the most results. You could enter to win a free trip. Yes. I think it's like to the Bahamas. Yes, but who wouldn't like a free trip? Some tropical island somewhere. So I'm going to write in how much I weigh. I weighed myself. Put on back some weight. Girl been eating. So, and write down what I will lose. This is my affirmation. This is what I am going to say that my goal is. My goal weight, I will lose 30 pounds in the next 30 days. That's my objective. So today My weight is 157 pounds. Woo! Yes, and I'm only 5'5". Um, and I want to lose 30 pounds. 127. Okay, not 30 pounds. Maybe 27 pounds. 20 pounds. 25 pounds is even better. And I will be documenting. So in here I also got a little information about the products and what they do. This is the NRG information, a little bit about a NutriBurst, an original ISO detox tea, and congratulations to me. Now it's time for me to get started. And here they give us a little magnet. I promise I will commit to a 30-day challenge, complete a minimum of 30 minutes of cardio every day, consume NutriBurst ISOT and NRG every day. Dedicate yourself to a 30-day challenge, walk or work out for 30 minutes per day. Take 3 products daily and drink water. Water is essential to the body. Your body is 80% water, so you need this. So this is the instruction. So you want to feel better, so you put these goods back into your gut. So natural NutriBurst, 1 tablespoon every morning. It's a liquid vitamin. Then 1 to 2 capsules after breakfast. That helps to burn the fat with the NRG. And then they have the dietary best friend, the resolution drops. I did not get that. Maybe next time. So they also have the instant tea. I like the brewed tea better. I have a whole gallon in my refrigerator right now, and I like that better. So if there's anyone who is interested, who knows someone who wants to lose 5 pounds in 5 days or want to lose some weight and want to join me on my 30-day challenge, let me know. Information below, okay? So I will be updating and providing more information about my transformation, yes, to the new me. And I will update with pictures. See you guys. Bye now.